Get there. Oh, we're just having fun with Dawn here. Welcome back from food and drink to beauty and books. Our lifestyle expert, Dawn McCarthy of Dawn's Corner, is here with some products to try in the new year, and I am excited. Dawn, Happy New Year. Welcome back.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you. I'm going to have you start off now. Are you an espresso martini girl?
I love
I gave her a teeny one. This is LEBOWSKI'S KOOL-LUAH COFFEE LIQUEUR. So what's really nice about this is with Colombian coffee, but it actually has a vodka base to it.
Ooh,
isn't that really nice?
Sweet. I love this.
This is an old recipe. This company is based in Colorado, and they've got a Colorado Springs tap room called LEBOWSKI'S. It's that real play. It's award-winning, but this is something new. They were like only had it in their store, and then now they've expanded so the whole entire country can actually enjoy it. But I love it because I'm actually a vodka girl, so I love it that it has kind of a vodka base, and it will actually work also like in a White Russian.
Oh, this
so
is
let's just say
amazing.
if you're not, a martini kind of girl, but that really works well with that. But it kind of stands out. It's got a really good sweet taste. It's gluten-free and delicious.
Okay, this is incredible, and sometimes you don't have all the ingredients at home to make an espresso martini, so this is easy. I love it.
The daughter found the father's recipe, so it was really like a good story. So feel good. But now it ships everywhere, and you can get it at home.
Okay, I love it. You have brought me espresso martinis and cookies. Let's talk through what's next on our list. I knew I liked you, Dawn.
MASKAL TEFF. This is their grain and flour, and this is being called the new quinoa. This is like the world's smallest grain.
Oh, I love it.
I know you're a quinoa girl. I know that you love that in your salad.
And I love cookies, though.
This is highly nutritious, and again, it's gluten-free. So this is their flour, and again, these are under $10. So as we kick off the new year products to try, I want you to remember that there's healthy ways to actually get things done with different types of flour. I love how affordable that they are, and again, they're just easy to prepare. They're made here in the USA now. The flours come in like two different ones. They've got a white and a brown.
I love it.
Again, I mean, this world's smallest grain. I didn't even know that, and it's a new quinoa. So I've made some recipes, and I absolutely love it.
Well, this is delicious, and I could keep eating and drinking over here.
Well,
but now let's
bread and more cookies. And they've been around for over 40 years, so I love that too, in any type of dessert.
That's great. Okay, now let's talk hair.
Which she does not need any help in the hair department.
We all do.
Just tell you, I am somebody that does. So this is Lucetta Beauty, and this is their biotin and collagen. I personally love this to start off the year. Doesn't it smell good? I love the color, and it's just all about affordability. So you can get these at Amazon. I actually buy this at CVS personally, but this is salon quality at affordability prices, and this has got some little argan oil in there for that strength and to actually plump your hair up. It's going to give you volume. It's going to give you that shine, and again, I just really love it. Because I always switch out my products. Do you switch out?
All the time.
Maybe you should be telling us how you keep your hair
now I'm going to be using this product. This is incredible, and I love that you can just run into a CVS and grab it there. And now we got to move on because we got to get to this book. I think it's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, and these again are, like I said, affordability. Some of these are like 19 and under.
Can't beat it.
Again, pick them up. So this is Sophia in Rome. I'm going to give this book for you to kind of check out. This is by Maria Castellucci Moore. And again, you're just going to follow Sophia on her journey through Rome. It's her second book in the Traveling Mindful List series. And again, Sophia discovers sights, smells, and she's really about taking in what country that you're in and everything about it, those tastes, those sounds that you're hearing as the motorcycles and little Vespas are riding by.
The cutest thing I've ever seen.
I love it. She's a wine proprietor as well. She's a mom of 4. Her books are absolutely adorable. And again, I say check this out this new year if you're looking for a cute book to give someone or read.
I love it. Okay, and just lastly here, we're talking drinks and fizz.
This is the Drink Mate Omni Fizz, and again, it's consistently ranked one of the best home beverage carbonators on the market because it doesn't just do water. This can do coffee. It can do tea. I actually have a little sports drink in here right now by just the push of a button. And again, it can do cocktails. It can do mocktails. We could have actually put that in.
Exactly. You got a lot of great stuff on. I got to wrap this up here, but I'm having so much fun. A lot of great products for the new year. Keep talking to you about Mercedes.